Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Fortune.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then type in Fortune.com in the address bar and press enter. This will now take you into the official Fortune.com website. Now just click on the sign in button at the top right corner and this will open up the login portal. Just type in your account email address and click on the next button, and then once the password box appears, you will see the forgot password button at the bottom section. Just go ahead and click on it, and now once again type in your account email address. Then you can simply click on the reset password button, and now you will be told that an email has been sent with further instructions. So just go ahead and check your inbox and you will find an email from Fortune.com which contains a link that will allow you to reset your password. Just click on the link and now you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. Just go ahead and type in your new password and click on the Save Password button. And now you will receive a notification that your password has successfully been changed. You can now click on the Login Now button and proceed with logging into your account using your new password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Fortune.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.